Satyamev Jayate came into existence with a very special thought process. We thought of developing a unique school, especially with three basic foundation principles like self-esteem, self-worth and self-reliance. That self-esteem has to be developed in children in such a way that they become courageous, they are ready to accept the reality, they are not afraid to fail also. Satyamev Jayate is operating for the last 12 years. Well, academics are the part of it because without knowledge, a person does not work. So we follow academics, science, arts, Hindi, Gujarati, English, Sanskrit, maths. But while teaching them all these extra activities, these are interdisciplinary subjects where they learn. Our teachers are highly qualified but highly specifically trained to conduct these courses, because it has been said that if you cannot teach properly, you cannot develop students. In our school there is a motto, if children have not learned, teachers have not taught. So with that motto, our teachers have to be perfect, specialized, skills have to be inculcated in them. So every now and then they go for the training to develop self-esteem, self-worth and self-reliance in the children. Self-worth means I can do everything. I have got so much of strength and capability that I can do it. Hence, to develop their self-worth, they go for various activities like they learn electrification, they learn carpentry, they learn entrepreneurship, they learn tennis, they learn painting, they learn dramatics, they learn music. Now, these are all activities which inculcates self-worth in them, and it is compulsory from standard 1 to standard 12 that they all have to go through these activities. We are teaching them entrepreneurship course throughout the year, where from standard 1 they learn to think in a way of entrepreneurs. It has been said that if you want to walk like a duck, you have to think like a duck. So here we teach, if they want to walk like an entrepreneur, they have to think like an entrepreneur. And this thinking process takes them towards self-reliance. They feel that they can be independent economically, socially, emotionally and psychologically. I feel Satyamev Jayate students are not going to be dependent anywhere, whether marks are 90% or 40%. Because marks is a part of that day's performance in exams. But their personality, their thought process, that I believe in myself, my self-esteem is very high because I believe in myself and I'll do everything correct. My self-worth, I am worth, is very, very important thought process. And my self-reliance takes these children to feel I can do it in this world. The day they think that they can do it, they can do it. There is no question of I can't. And this is what we teach in Satyamev Jayate, that I can. Satyamev, Satyamev.